Yes. Who got it? You got it. No, I got another doll.
Huh?
I got another doll and he's playing with it. He's just playing. Kimo. Huh? No, none whatsoever. Come on. Kimo, come on. Come on, Duchess. Come on. Come on.
You want a bone? You want a bone? Come on, Kimo. Here.
Oh, she's doing the taunting with the doll again.
What?
The running around with the doll.
Oh.
And he's going after it. Oh, now she laid down and he took it out of her mouth. He says, this doll's not as fun as you are. She was hoping that she'd get a break with him playing with the doll, but no. Now she's got the doll again. Come on, Duchess.
Come on, Kimo. Don't you touch the doll and all. You going home early today?
Hell no, I never get home early. Even if there's nothing to do.
Kimo, you better enjoy it because you're going home tonight.
Kimo, stop humping. Dutch is like, save me, please. Come on, Kimo.
Come on, Kimo. Come on, Duchess. Where'd they go?
Duchess.
Come on, Duchess.
Come on, Kimo.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. Kimo.
I saw them playing outside.
Oh, yeah.
Weren't they great?
Oh, she took pictures.
Kimo.
Come on, Duchess.
Kimo.
That door's not open out the back, is it?
No, of course not.